above the clouds. Los Angeles. Morning breaks over Venice. A lone seagull riding the light. A bicycle rests in the sand, waiting. And beyond it all, Malibu rises. This is where the ride begins.
I'm not that much slower, you guys are just that much faster.
I'm very injured.
No.
I'm moving at like 40%.
If that was your 40, that was like my 70.
What up?
Good to see you, buddy.
I
wanted to surprise you. Hi, buddy.
Motherfucker.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
What's up, guys? Mr. Moto POV here, after action review. As you can see, the beautiful Ducati Streetfighter is looking clean. My brain is mashed potatoes after this ride. It was an exciting one today. Got to meet the Yerba Buena chicken strippers. First ride up was solo up Las Flores. Las Flores was absolutely beautiful. I love going up at my first ride. But the second ride, which I thought was absolutely amazing, was up Lato. Lato Road was definitely a very technical road that I've ridden multiple times in the past, and my legs started giving out in the end. Those guys, you know, they've been, riding week over week, and it's one of those things where riding a motorcycle, you have to basically flex that muscle, work that muscle, and it's been 2 months, so I was a little rusty. So they were pulling away from me every single time, but it's one of those things where, you know, you got to ride with minimal ego, and I pushed as hard as I felt comfortable, but, you know, after 2 months, it was one of those things where I felt I picked the pace up pretty well. And one thing, guys, just on the ego front, you know, just a side comment as well, but I've seen so many riders that really try to push themselves maybe on their first ride back or with a new group of friends, and they definitely ride over their skill level. And what happens when, you know, that occurs is some people usually, you know, end up wrecking, right? Either they slide out, get a high side, take a turn too fast, and I see it all the time. I see it on crash review videos. So especially, guys, when you're back on the saddle, I don't know, after a prolonged period like me, maybe even 2 months, don't ride with ego. Ride to where you feel comfortable, 60, 70% in the tank. Always leave that 30% for emergency maneuvers. Last ride up was Fast Mulholland. Fast Mulholland is one of those roads in Malibu where I would say it is not, if not the fastest road in Malibu, with a lot of sweeping turns that, you know, you can easily take 80, 90, 100 miles per hour. Man, I am tired. But without further ado, guys, I hope you enjoy this content, and let's take it to Las Flores. What's up, guys? Absolutely beautiful day here in Malibu. Sun is shining. It feels good to be back. I had an extended family trip back on the East Coast in the cold. Oh my God, ice, storm, snow. It was insane. But I'm meeting some of my boys up today, the Yerba Buena chicken strippers. They don't know I'm gonna be here, so it'll be a good surprise. It's so green in Malibu. I love this time of year. You guys are in for a treat. I'm gonna meet a couple of my friends and go riding, and it's gonna be a beautiful day. Glad to be back, guys. More content coming soon. And yeah, go fast, be safe. All right, guys. At the bottom of Las Flores, gonna meet some of the guys up. A nice little surprise, a little solo run. Let's get it. Beautiful day. Beautiful day.
Well done.
Fuck yeah.
Woo! I'm alive.
What up?
Good to see you, buddy.
Good to
I wanted
see
to
you
surprise
too.
you. I thought, hi, buddy.
Motherfucker.
Good to see you.
See you. He lied.
Oh.
Love it.
What's up, guys? Quick moto intermission, a little preview of what you're about to see. We're about to go up Lato Road. I'm going to be chasing my friend Max, who's on the Indian FTR 1200. Lato Road is the most technical, or if not the most technical, road in Malibu. It's full of just dicey turns that almost bucks you like a Bronco. And especially too, if you're not vigilant, you'll have to navigate those turns with a bunch of dirt on it as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this content, and yeah, let's get to Lato Road. What's up, guys? Mr. Moto POV here. As you can see, not in the canyons, but in front of a pool. This is future me about to give you a heads up on what you're about to see. In the clip ahead, we're about to go up Fast Mulholland. Fast Mulholland is the fastest road in Malibu by far. A lot of sweeping turns and a lot of blind corners that there might be some dirt in the middle of the road. I'm chasing up Max, who's on the FTR 1200. And I had to put my ego to the side for this video because they kept pulling away. Practicing riding on a weekly basis definitely makes a difference. So I was brushing off the rust, and I hope you guys enjoy Fast Mulholland. Woo! All right. exhausted. That was insane. I'm not that much slower. You guys are just that much faster. I'm so tired. Oh my God. What's up, bro? How are you? How are you? Whew. Whew. We got a spot, the first spot. Insane how many people here at the rock store. Oh man, that was a fun time.
We're just going to do a sighting lap.
Nice.
They haven't been here before, so they're from
Okay.
Azusa.
Awesome.
We're just going to do a sighting lap up and down. Be back in the pit.
it was like you said yesterday, pretty dirty.
Dirty as hell,
Yeah.
Hey, is it okay that I posted the ride yesterday?
Oh yeah, I don't care. Yes.
Cool.
Totally fine.
That was a fucking good save.
Yeah, I know. That was gnarly.
That was a good save.
I appreciate it. Yeah, that never happened to me. And it's, of course, on like just the stupid ass like little turn to tuna.
Murphy's Law.
Yeah, be safe. Woo. We're here at the rock store. You guys know we're getting back to the swing of things. What's up, guys? Quick intermission. Obviously, we're not in the canyons, so just want to provide some quick context for the clips you're about to see. It was actually on the Saturday before. What you guys have been seeing is on that Sunday. I had the chance to ride with Texas Marshall, Big Texas, an absolutely funny and charismatic guy. He always gets me laughing. He's on the Ducati 959, absolutely tearing it up, and he's actually nurturing an injury. So very impressed on how he was able to move around on the bikes. It's late here. Wanted to provide this little bit of B-roll for you guys. Providing these intermissions too, I feel like kind of breaks up the video and gives you a little bit more into my daily life. I hope you guys like this, and without further ado, let's get back to the rock store.
No matter what.
No Armin. Haven't seen Armin. Where's Armin? Where's Carl? Carl took off for a minute.
You're not very injured. You're moving like you're good.
I'm very injured.
No.
I'm moving at like 40%.
If that was your 40, that was like my 70.
I fucking hurt.
Oh, shit, that was good. I might maybe go up to stunt.
Okay, let's do that.
I know that's clear.